It's recording, right? Yeah, it's recording. Hey, welcome back, everybody. I just received this package by someone. I don't know. So I just want to see my own reaction to it. See, if I stand, I go out the camera. If I sit, it's uncomfortable. So whatever. Now that's packaging right there. Amazon, take notes. Hey, initially Amazon used to provide those bubble wraps, so much better. But now, I don't know, for cost cutting purposes, they reduce that. Learn from the best. Yeah, I'm ambidextrous, that's why I can cut with both my hands. And I just realized I went off screen. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I can. I'm so close. There it is. It's open. Wow, that is heavy. देखते हैं क्या है. Drum roll. What on earth is this? But it's a box inside a box? It's a box inside a box. Wait. There's the empty box goes out. Look, it's a box inside a box. Heck yeah, heck yeah. That's the bubble wrap I'm talking about. And no, I'm not gonna pop them. I'll pop them later. Because who the hell wants to see that? Okay, wow, Happy Diwali by Vedantu. Whoop, what the hell? Yeah, look at that. I hope it doesn't fall off. Happy Diwali. Way, Happy Diwali from Vedantu. Such a... Whoa! My mic. Okay, it's a... I don't know how am I supposed to... It's a leather strap. Look at this. Wow. And it's open. Okay, greetings of the season to you and your family. This has to be the worst, most haphazard unboxing video that you might have seen, but I'm sorry, that's the best I could do. Greetings of the season to you and your family. Happy Diwali. We have stickers. Confetti! Lots of... No. Don't dirty my room. Don't dirty my room. Confetti. Oh, pistachio. Pistachio. Kaju badam. Cashew. Oh, almond. Almonds. I love almonds. What else? Is this? It's a shirt. Har Ghar Vedantu. Oh, I love this. I love this. Wait, should I wear it right now? Yeah. What? No harm to be done. Right. Shirt off. Yeah. Let's wear some fresh tees from company tees. That's why they asked for our shirt sizes later on. I gave medium. It suits. It suits. I feel like a suit. I feel like the Hulk. I feel like Hulk right now. Okay, that's it. Har Ghar Vedantu. What else? Another box. Oh, these are candle. We have a card. It's a candle. 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 How many red? How many red? You're dirtying my room. So many confetti. Okay, that's the box. Now final package. This looks like a showpiece of some kind. Let's open up. Open this one up. Very nice. The most haphazard unboxing in the world. What is that? Is that? It's paint! I thought it was some sweets. No, it's paint. You have paint. Okay, we have to paint the house. Spoiler alert. Wow, look at this. It's a roof. Wait, roof is out. Let's see the body. I have to be super careful with this. And that's why the packaging was so sturdy. Aramse. Wow, we look at that. This just sparked the artist fire in me again. Wow, all I have to do is paint this house with them paints. I'll work on it. I'll make another video on it soon. Sooner than later. And we have some cards. Hopefully it's our gift cards. Zwende lets you pick a product and tweak it. Oh yeah, it's the company. Well, shout out to Zwende. Alright, but this bag is good. I'll keep the bag. So many confetti! So many confetti! Woo! Okay, I gotta throw out the confetti, keep the boxes. Wow, thank you, Vedantu. Har Vedantu. Har Vedan? Yeah, no, Har Vedantu. Yep. Thank you, Vedantu. I've always been loyal to this company. One of my all-time favorite working companies ever. And yeah, this is the final box after opening. That's the final box. I'll keep this box though. Of course I'll keep this box. It has a strap and everything. Alright, wow, quite quick, quite haphazard. And no, I'm not gonna pop this. Maybe I'll pop it later, so keep it there. Thank you so much for watching. So, see ya. Bye bye.